Now that you've seen the neighborhood, well, let me show you the house and how to handle a large project like this one. Now, with any large project, well, you need to identify problems. And the project home had no running water. Not only that, it had no power, no electricity. So we got right to work and started plumbing the home. Now, as far as the power was concerned, believe it or not, we used the van and an inverter. And that inverter powered lights, a few tools, and a few of our gadgets, like our laptops. Now, next up is the budget. And what drives the budget is the size of the job and what tasks you're going to perform, what you feel comfortable doing, and what jobs you're going to farm out to others to do. Now, the budget for the project house is $20,000. And if you're thinking, Leah, wait a second, that's not much money. Well, here's the thing, you'd be right about that, but you have to keep in mind that I'm going to be doing the majority of the work. Now, there are going to be those things that I cannot do. Now, the electrical work, I'm going to have to bring in a licensed electrician to install the 200 amp service panel. And then there are other jobs that I've already contracted out. For example, I hired landscapers to come and do the spring cleanup. They did a great job at a reasonable price. And then I found out that they did hauling as well. And I had a lot of stuff in that basement to haul away. And so they did the hauling too, at a reasonable price. And these guys did a great job. How about I show you the rest of the house? Let's get to it. I want to make certain that I place in the description below those guys that did the lawn care and the hauling, just in case you're in this neighborhood and you'd like to look them up. This is Leah saying, you can do this. See you next time.